Hi guys, this is OKANE.MY AI stock prediction platform. For the beginners, I'm going to walk you through this video the working steps of this platform. So once you log in, you will bring into the main page of OKANE. There is top gainers and top losers of the stock exchange. Just click at the exchange and it will show up. Same goes to the commodities if you want to look at the commodities, top gainers and losers. Here is a search icon button if you want to find any company listed in Bursa. For example, we search for Garuda, Berhad. It will show you a technical chart with candlestick bar. So this is a prediction line, the blue line. It can predict 5 days ahead. The prediction line which shows the direction of the prices, whether it will go up or going down. So you just have to know where to buy the stock at the lowest price and sell it at the highest price.